You guys have heard the term, don't bite off more than you can chew, right? Well, that doesn't apply to me, because I like to grip it and rip it. Let's get to work. Okay guys, welcome back to the Longest Yard. It has been a little while since I posted a video because I've been busy.
I never know what she's doing back there.
This is definitely the biggest project that I have done in the lawn ever. If you've been keeping up with me, I have buried my trampoline into the ground this spring, and then I had a giant mound of dirt. So what to do with that dirt? Well, I mean, might as well level the entire lawn. But before I did that, I also wanted to kill off my entire yard and start over from scratch with a elite grass seed. So that's what I did first. Got my Petra backpack sprayer, got some Roundup glyphosate, and I killed off my entire lawn. Went really well. I also live in an HOA, so I knew that my front yard was going to be an eyesore. So along with the glyphosate and the backpack sprayer, I also used a green dye from Petra Tools as well. Golf courses use them when they're going through like a drought, or if they need their grass to look a lot greener. They use them all the time. So this is a very normal practice. I just didn't want my HOA to fine me.
I'm just here so I won't get fined.
Along with the leveling with soil, what I did was I ended up building some garden boxes out of some corrugated metal. I knew that I had enough soil from the trampoline that I could fill those with soil and also have enough to spread out through the lawn. So started off with putting soil around the barrier of the trampoline, because when we dug it out, there was a little bit of a gap between the lawn and the barrier. So I just used that soil to fill in the gaps. Then it was go time on spreading the dirt throughout the entire lawn. So that's it, you guys. I appreciate you guys sticking through this entire video. It was a big project, right? Next step is to seed. I'm going to seed this entire lawn And then we're gonna hope that spring weather is nice to me and this stuff will germinate and we'll have a great summer and a great fall with this new lawn. It's also Memorial Day weekend, so happy Memorial Day weekend. If you guys are out there enjoying the mow an extra one for me because I am not mowing yet. It's also a good reminder to throw down your favorite fertilizer. It's one of those staple holidays. Hit that subscribe button. I got lots of plans coming this year. I'll see you guys there. I'll see you on another time.